We're here at Alton Towers, we're attic of Antiquities, and we're going to show you what's inside. You look perfect in my doll's house.
Well, shrink you down. I love it so much.
So good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's even better, you come out into the gift shop, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. You get your photos there.
Yeah, we do. We'll pop a picture of Buzz on Curse, won't we?
Yeah.
It's a scary one. I like these bears now.
I know, they're dead cute. But they're not really big old bear.
Big old heather bear?
Yeah.
Oh, we had one of these in our room the other night, didn't we?
Did indeed.
Oh, he was nice, wasn't he?
Yeah, it was.
He was, another member of the bear club. Well, we've got some interesting stuff in this shop, haven't we, to be honest? Some of the different tankards and things, and scary ornaments and stuff. Some of the prices for you there, guys. Having a look at some of that stuff there. And it's always good to look up, isn't it? Oh, I'm... Oh. Bit of a, can you see that, guys? Bit of a glare on this. Oh, there you go. Look. Ooh. It's like Trommelton all over again, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got a few other bits there as well, haven't we?
Yeah, I like the skulls. I saw this on Saturday and I thought it was really cute.
Yeah, something a bit different.
Memory box type thing.
Yeah. And like a Ouija spirit board kind of thing here. Nemesis now again. Perhaps they're the ones who make the scary stuff.
Yeah, they must be.
Because we saw something in the Wicker Man shop, didn't we, with that on, didn't we?
Is it called Nemesis now, though?
Oh, very interesting stuff. That's a cool one, isn't it? That's quite a good one.
I like that teddy bear as well.
Yeah, so if you do look up, as we said, guys, there's loads of stuff here. The back of the jewel cars there. There's another one. Some interesting nods at the top here.
Yeah.
And plenty of bears.
You got these little trinkety bits. Oh, that's a magnet.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's like jewellery, isn't it? Well,
Yeah.
it's actually like Gloomy Wood, because when you come into Gloomy Wood, you see the little golems on the side.
You do, don't they? They look pretty similar to these kind of ones, don't they, to be honest?
Oh, that's adorable.
Ooh. Wow.
You see?
It did
Oh, that is amazing.
I don't know if we can get that on camera, guys. It's not doing it on camera. Oh, there we go. Sideways. There we go.
That is so cool. I love that.
That's pretty cool, isn't it, to be honest?
And in fact, we actually met the real Emily Alton.
Yeah, we did. Big, massive thank you to saying hello to us.
Yeah.
We were so scared to see you, weren't we, to be honest?
we were so like starstruck.
Yeah, thought we were going to get taken, to be honest. Spirits are playing havoc with the manor.
She does say that.
That was the same as last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, I love that little, it's a mirror, compact mirror, which is so cute. These are new. Can you see how that changes?
Yeah.
To mine? Ooh.
They're like the medals for completing the ride.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
And I love the resin. So you've got the key one, but then you've got the actual manor.
Yeah. Ooh, have.
You've got the manor.
Yeah, so they were sold out for quite a while, to be honest, weren't they?
were.
But they've got them back in, and
So
plenty of them
cute.
as well. Loads of them there.
£18 for a ride resin.
Yeah. Ooh.
This is a new
dolls
top.
as well. Oh, that is a new top. Wow.
25. So you've got the manor, you've got the curse on the back, on the side.
Is there anything on the back?
No,
nothing on the back.
but
It's a nice one.
really
I quite
cool.
like that, actually.
Yeah, it's subtle, isn't it?
Yeah. And these are the dolls, just quickly there. Tansy doll. Just there, get green or purple.
And you can get the...
There we go. If you have to go sideways, there we go. Ooh, that's good, isn't it?
That's cool. That's like magnetised, so you could
Oh,
stick
so you could
that
just
on
stick that on the fridge.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Then we saw
Interesting
these in the
stuff.
shop the other day, didn't we?
Yeah, these like kaleidoscopy thingies.
Yeah.
I did try it out, but I'm not too sure.
But hopefully you can see
Can't
the
see
little
through there,
colours.
guys. Interesting. The fun little toys for the kids, I suppose, isn't it? So if we
Yeah.
conquered that, got something good.
Yeah.
And we've seen these before, the mugs and things, they're all very similar. That's the other resin, if you haven't seen. And as we said, there is plenty of the resins. The more the cups and the dolls.
I do love the jumper. You've got the top to this.
I've got the t-shirt, yeah, but I do like the hoodie as well.
Yeah.
That's the original one, the client opening day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That one.
I love these giant shot glasses. I'd be on the floor having that shot that big.
I know, yeah, I honestly thought they were like little espresso or something, cups or something, but no, that's going to be an interesting night if you're having a few shots of them, aren't you?
Yeah, definitely.
They're really good. And they got the pin down here, Anne.
Oh, yeah, I really like this. Because it's like stained glassy-esque, but it's the manor.
Yeah, it's really good. I think that's one of the best pins I've seen, to be honest.
I agree. I really like that
One of
pen.
the ones I really like.
And
And
the
one,
jumper, it's all embroidered. It's only £35 for that. That's really good, actually.
And that's the top I've got.
That's your top, yeah. You've got that. It's got "You're Mine" on the back.
Yeah.
Really good.
I do like that one. More with the magnets and things there. And this was the other one that come out on every day. So it was the original black one and then this one.
That's really cute, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice, really good stuff that is, to be honest. More interesting things, as you say, as we look up. It's a really good shop, isn't it, to be honest?
It is, yeah.
Normal sweets and things as you get in most shops, and confectionery bits if you did want to pick those up. I mean, these marbles, I've seen Alton Towers, bit of feedback, and a lot of kids just put them in the pockets, I'm not going to lie. But please don't do that. Please pay for them.
Look at this.
That's cool, isn't it? Oh, wow.
Oh, and little rings as well.
Oh.
This is definitely new.
I haven't seen any of this before,
I haven't either.
Some of the different kind of ranges there.
They are fabulous.
Oh, very good.
Oh, I love them.
And they do usually do a curse freestyle in here, but they don't seem to have it
They
in
haven't got
today,
it
don't they, to be honest? But
So, I
yeah,
don't know. I love this shop.
it's brilliant. It's coming off the van, coming to this shop, and there is one other little feature, isn't there?
There is. We can have a sit down with good old Emma.
Good old Emily. She's a bit interactive, isn't she, to be honest?
Yes.
She's meant to be, anyway.
Oh, I saw her eyes moving.
Oh,
Oh, that is ace. I love it.
Well, really good photo opportunity there as well, isn't it, to be honest? Yeah, fantastic. I love this shop.
Me too.
It's brilliant. Key rings and magnets, £6.
So this is like it. I don't know.
Oh,
if
yeah,
you
it's
can see
sideways,
it.
yeah.
Like you're mine.
Oh, that's like the key. That's pretty cool.
That's really nice.
Different
I
kind of
like
magnets.
the key.
That's like the original one.
Yes.
I do like the key one, actually.
I love
The
that
key ring.
Yeah, that is
That's quite
that
cool,
is really
actually.
nice. I love that.
Unlock the door to the manor.
Ooh.
Wow, plenty of stuff in the shop there, wasn't there?
Yeah, I absolutely love Curse and the shop.
It's absolutely brilliant. It comes as a whole package, doesn't it, this whole area?
Yeah, it definitely does.
Fantastic. But if you've liked this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Woo woo!